The oceans of the world are noisy places where many marine mammals use sound for communication, navigation, and to detect predators and prey. Sound can travel long distances underwater, and so many species of whale communicate using it. The sounds they produce can be heard hundreds of kilometers away. Sound is recorded using specialized underwater microphones. Often, these are used in combination with tracking tags in order to associate specific sounds with different behaviors. Humpback whales are the only whales known to mankind that communicate by singing. They sing complex, repeated, low-frequency patterns which can last from just a few minutes to 22 hours at a time. Humpback whales sing most during the mating season. These songs are mostly sung by male whales on breeding grounds in order to communicate their species and location to the female whales. The orca, known to most as killer whales, each have a unique call. Each whale's distinctive sound allows other whales to know where that whale is from, its sex, as well as its location. Every group of whales, called a pod, has a slightly different way of communicating, each identifiable by the different sounds they make. Dolphins use a combination of sound, visual signals, and touch to communicate. Echolocation is the ability that allows dolphins to see with their ears. Dolphins echolocate by emitting short clicking sounds and listening for the reflection of these sounds as they bounce off obstacles in the water. These sounds are produced in the air passages of a dolphin's head, where an oil-filled chamber, called the melon, allows the dolphin to focus and beam signals through the water. The reflection of these sounds allow it to calculate distance, direction, size, and shape of the objects that create the echo. Scientists have observed a relationship between military sonars and mass strandings of deep-diving toothed whales. Peter Tyack, currently researching at the University of St Andrews, has co-authored many papers and articles on the topic of man-made or anthropogenic sounds on whales. His findings show that mid-frequency military sonars can significantly affect blue whale behavior, particularly during deep feeding modes. The responses to the sonar vary from interruption of feeding, increased swimming, and directed travel away from the source. This may impact foraging ecology, individual fitness, and population health.